Hello, in this video we shall be talking about the monarchy system of government and the republic system of government. Let's begin with monarchy. Now, monarchy is a system whereby power is vested in the hands of a figure called the king, the queen, or the emperor. This is known as the monarch. Now, there are two types of monarchy. There are two types of monarchy. There's the absolute monarchy and there's the constitutional monarchy. Now, the constitutional monarchy is where this monarch, that is the king or the queen, his powers are not limited. So he can do basically as much as he pleases, as much as he well pleases. Now, this kind of system is practiced in UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Bhutan. Let's move on to the constitutional monarchy. Now, in constitutional monarchy, the monarch, his powers are limited by the constitution. So whatever he does, they are dictated by the premises of the constitution. Let's take their examples of constitutional monarchies are Britain and Spain. Now let's talk about republic. Now, republic, this is a system whereby the head of state that runs on independence and democracy. Now, the head of state is usually known as the president, and to install this president, elections have to be held. Regular, periodic, free and fair elections have to be held. That's it for the characteristics of government. In our next video, we shall be taking some past questions from SSE and UTME. Thank you.